Hello everyone. So this is a reasoning question, and these type of questions are usually asked in most of the competitive exams. So let us see how we can solve this. The question is Anita's mathematics test had 70 problems carrying equal marks. So in Anita's mathematics test there were 70 problems and each were carrying equal marks, right? In that 70, 10 arithmetic problem, 30 algebra and 30 geometry problems are there. Although she answered 70% of arithmetic, 40% algebra and 60% of geometric problem correctly, she didn't pass the test because she got less than 60% marks. How many marks she get? She didn't pass the test because she got less than 60% marks. So the number of more questions she would answer correctly to earn a 60% passing mark. So the passing marks here is 60%. So just we have to calculate that how many questions she have to do correct, how many more questions she have to do correct so that she can score 60% marks. So let us see how we can solve this question. Okay, there were 10 arithmetic problems and she did 70% right, and 30 algebraic problems she did 40% right, and from 30 geometrical problems she did 60% correct. So how we can see this? See, from 10, 70% means she did 7 questions correct, 7 correct. From 30, she that was 40%, so she did 12 questions correct. I hope you all know how we can calculate the percent. And from 30 to 60, it means she did 18 questions correct out of 30. So how many questions she did correct is, let us sum all these. It is 37, means she did 37 questions correct. But we have to there were 70 problems, right? There were 70 problems and she have to score 60% to get the passing marks. So from if we can calculate that how many questions must be correct from the 70 so that she can score 60% marks is 42, right? So but she just did 37% correct and she have to do 42%, 42 questions correct. So we can find out the difference between both the two, so that we will find that how many questions she have to do correct. So difference between 42 minus 37 is 5, means our answer is 5, that she have to do 5 more questions correct so that she can score 60% marks, that is passing marks. So our answer is option number B, 5. So this is right answer. Let us see how, once again, how we did it. So there were 70 problems, right? Out which she have to score 60% so that she can get passing marks, right? So there were 10 arithmetic, 30 algebraic and 30 geometric problems, out of which she did 70% correct, 40% and 60% correct respectively. So that so it means she did 7 questions correct from the arithmetic, 12 questions correct from algebra and 18 questions correct from geometry, right? So the sum is 37. But there were 70 problems, so the 60% of 70 is 42, means she have to do 42%, 42 questions correct so that she can score 60%, means passing marks. So the 42 minus 37 means this is the questions that she must do correct to score 60%, and this is the amount of questions she did correct. So the sum of these two will give us the number of questions, more questions she would do correct so that she can get passing marks. So the right answer is 5. I hope you like this trick. So thank you.